Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about kinds of adverb. We have already discussed about adverb in previous chapter. Let's quickly revise it. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjectives or an adverb in the sentence. Modify what? It modifies verb, adverb and adjective. Here modify means add or change. There are three ways in which adverb modifies or describes an action. Three ways are when, how and where. So here in this chapter we will study about three kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. So let's get started. Number one is adverb of manner. This tells us how a particular action is performed. For example, the alarm rang loudly. Here we can identify that the alarm rang. But how it rang? It rang loudly. So loudly is describing us the manner in which the action is performed, and hence it is adverb. Let's look into another example. Harry ran quickly. Here we are able to know that Harry ran, but quickly is describing the manner in which Harry ran. This describes us how the action happened. Hence, quickly and loudly are adverb of manner. Let's move to number 2, which is adverb of place. This tells us about where a particular action is performed. For example, put the cake there. Here we are telling to put the cake, but at which place? By using there, we are telling the place to put the cake. So it is an adverb. Next example is I looked everywhere for my book. I looked for my book, but where I looked? I looked everywhere in the room. Here, everywhere is the adverb, as I am telling the location where I looked for my book. As these adverb describes where the action happened, so these are called adverb of place. Let's move to the third one, which is adverb of time. This tells us when a particular action is performed. For example, I visited him today. Here today is describing us that when the action is performed. Hence, today is an adverb. Next example is they go out for dinner weekly. Now, we can say that they go out for dinner without using weekly also. But weekly says us when do they go for the dinner. As this adverb describes when the action exactly happened, these are called adverb of time. So students, here we have studied about three kinds of adverb. Number one is adverb of manner. It questions how. Example, loudly, quickly, slowly. Number 2 is adverb of place. It questions where. Example, here, there, near. And number 3 is adverb of time. It questions when. Example, today, now, again. Thank you.